How well do you know your dairy? Where does it come from? How is it produced? Well, today we're at a local grocery store to talk to shoppers and see what they think and get the answers from the farmers and the experts.
Let's say 30%.
75.
Probably 15, 20%.
75%.
40.
Maybe 20%.
97% of the nation's dairy farms are family-owned. Our family farm consists of me and my husband, our daughter and her husband, and our granddaughter Avery, and our son Scott.
Really? Okay, well, I like that.
$300. Like tens of thousands. 30 or more.
I'd say a couple hundred.
In Ohio and West Virginia, the average dairy farm has 100 cows. But it doesn't really matter if you're a 20-cow farm or a 2,000-cow farm or more. Each dairy farmer takes care of their cows and makes sure that they have a good bed to lay down on, something good to eat, and that they're relaxed and able to produce the quality milk.
A farmer, probably 7.
It depends on how big the production is. Every day.
That's very true. There has to be someone here. We have to have somebody committed in covering and seeing that everything gets taken care of. All the cows are cared for, all the milking's done properly.